Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kat, and if you're not, welcome back. So for today's video, I wanted to talk about my newest addition to my collection. It is the Dior mini trotter, or the mini bowling bag. I don't know what else it goes by, but yes, so this is it in all her glory. Do a little close. I have a little chain on her at the moment. There's a little padlock, and so yes, I wanted to talk more about her. This bag honestly hasn't really been on my radar. I wasn't even looking for a bag, to be honest, but this definitely was an impulse buy. It's one of those impulse buys where first off, it's a pre-loved. First off, you don't really know the condition of it because photos usually don't really do the bag justice, despite the description of it, despite how amazing the quality and condition it is in on the listing. But you just don't know. That's just how it is when buying pre-loved. You really can't expect anything. So this was an impulse buy. I was very skeptical on condition of it, the quality of it, as of course I've never bought from this company before, so I was very skeptical regarding this whole buy. And the photos, it didn't look like it was in top condition, so I was expecting it to be a bit you know what I mean. So I ordered it from a Japanese company. It's in Yokohama in Japan. DCT Vintage. I'll leave the handle here, and I'll leave the Instagram and website down below as well. So they were actually really easy to talk to via Instagram messages. They responded pretty fast considering they're in Japan, so obviously there's a time difference, and they were pretty helpful because I was asking a lot of questions regarding sizing, regarding if an iPhone Pro Max could fit in it. And the listings were a bit confusing too, because they would say, for instance, 2 bags, they're pretty much called the exact same thing. So Dior Trotter Mini, they look different. Count the monograms on it, because this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5 going diagonally, and the other ones looks like it had more. So it looked like it obviously would have been bigger, but on the listing it both says mini, so it was confusing in that aspect. So I went ahead and asked them like the difference. They did tell me to look at the dimensions, and it was literally probably like an inch off each height, depth and width. So I was like, okay, it's not too big of a difference. But then what was nice was that I asked them if they could do a side-by-side photo, and at first they said they didn't have it with them, so I was like, oh, okay, don't worry, all good. But then eventually they were able to take a photo side by side of the both bags that claim to be both minis, and I'll put a photo here so you can see the difference, and there's a massive difference. So thank goodness they were that accommodating to actually send a photo of both of them side by side, so at least I knew the size difference, because it looked much more than an inch off each, like height, width and depth. So they were very friendly, they're very accommodating, they're pretty fast at responding back, and they're very informative as well. So if you have questions regarding items, they will get back to you promptly, as obviously prior to buying, because I was just the same. Like I had to ask so many questions before committing, because it's a lot of money when it comes down to it. It's a lot of money putting down on something you are unsure of, something that's vintage, something that you can't see in person. But yeah, they're good in that way. So if you have any questions, and if you're looking at something on their website, feel free to message them on Instagram, or maybe send them an email. I'm not too sure how their customer service is via email, because I was just directly messaging them through Instagram, and I think that's probably the fastest way to contact them if you do have an Instagram account. So that's where I got it from. I personally like the silhouette of a bowling bag. I like all the Speedies. I like the shape of the Speedy. It's very classic. And as you know, I have the Speedy Nano, but I was looking for a bag that's in between the Nano and the size 25. And they do have the Speedy Bb, and I think they also have released the Speedy 20 in the Empreinte print. I don't think they released it in any other kind of pattern. Like, I don't think they released it in a monogram or the damier pattern. They have the Speedy Bb in the full leather one that's new, and it's very, very cute. My friend Anne actually has it and she's loving it, but I was wanting something pretty much that size that can actually fit a phone like comfortably in without having to move it around in certain ways, like with the Speedy Nano. And luckily enough that this bag is pretty much the size of a Speedy Bb, probably just like probably 1 centimeter bigger each, like height, width and depth, but essentially the same size as a Speedy Bb. So if they did do the Speedy Bb in like a full monogram or a full damier bean, I'd be all over that, because that's like the perfect bag and perfect size. But you know, it's nice to have a bit of variety in your collection. So yes, this is pretty much similar size to a Speedy Bb, and as you saw in my unboxing video, I did a side-by-side comparison with the Speedy Nano. That's how she looks and the size of it. So it is much roomy and you can fit quite a lot of things in the bag, so which is what I like, because this is nice for like going out for dinner, little date night. But I bring this to work and I love it. I have been eyeing a strap for it. Honestly, like, I actually don't know if we have, I think we have a store in Brisbane in the city, but we don't have an actual Dior website for Australia, I don't think, like with the pricing. So I've been looking for a Dior strap, preferably in the navy. I would like it to say that Christian Dior on the strap, and I would like it to be adjustable as well. But I have seen it on the website. I'll put it here so you can see what I mean, but I don't know what it is going for in Australia, like pricing wise. Please let me know down below if you know any places or like consignment shops that are selling, because I've been trying to Google Dior straps, like pre-loved straps, and literally no one's selling anything. So please let me know if you know anyone, or if you are selling one yourself. Send me an email or send me a DM on Insta. I'll leave my handle. It's always this corner or that corner. I'm not sure which one it is, but yes. So I wanted to show you next to this the Palm Springs mini. That's for reference. And the height. You can see the depth. What I actually wanted to test out if the toiletry 15 could fit inside here. So here's my toiletry 15. Well, it could be. It could fit because I actually have the mini pochette in there. But we can see if it will fit in here. And what's nice about it is that it's very soft. Okay, so toiletry 15. Oh my god, yes, it fits perfectly inside. Oh, that is amazing. Okay, cool. I think I'm going to be using this one now. But yeah, I'll let you know the measurements of the bag. I'll have it displayed right here. I'm so happy that the toiletry 15 can fit inside comfortably, and yeah, and it comes out pretty easily as well. So I'm going to be using this one now. I can alternate with my mini pochette and the toiletry 15. So I quickly wanted to show you guys a little mod shot. Fit it in on your arm and wear it. That's the size of it with me. So cute. It can fit comfortably on the crook of my arm, and I am on the plus side. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little review and first impressions pretty much on this bag. If you guys want to see any more videos from me, please leave them down below. And also thank you to all my OG babes. Mwah. I love you all so much. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of when I upload next. I am trying to film more often, but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
angel boy.